So I picked up the GameO 27-inch high definition Ultra HD blah de blah 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 de blah de blah blah. It says that it's 165 hertz. So yeah, we'll see what happens. It's got two HDMI 2.1 and two DP 1.4. So see what happens. Yeah, okay. Let's get on with this, shall we? The menu and none of it is in English. It's it's yeah, none of it's in English. Fascinating. That is where the language is. You have to go down because this thing comes in a completely different language. It's not even in English. The instruction manual, not in English. The website was actually useless. The website actually had absolutely no information whatsoever. Um, so be careful when you get this TV. Also, there's a red dot and a green dot that appears on the screen. I've removed it. Don't ask me which button I pressed. There are 4 buttons at the base. There's one that you've got to press to activate it on the screen, green or red or crosshair. And then one of the buttons you've got to press twice up to completely remove it. Don't ask me which button it is because, yeah, this one's a mystery.